let's create another GitHub here. Alright, so the first thing I need to do that I usually do is to enumerate the wildcards. As I said, GitHub has many wildcards so that we can use for testing. So let me create a wildcards file here and put some of my targets. github.com, GitHub assets.com, GitHub user content, GitHub app, web.net, npm.com, and njs.org. So actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 targets so we can test. The first thing I like to do while testing this kind of things is to run a Subfinder. Subfinder, if anyone does not know, it's a tool for fast subdomain enumerations. It searches in many places. In many places, let me see here what is the places that it searches. But basically, tests many subdomains that we can possibly be live or not. It looks for DNS enumerations, but just because a subdomain exists does not mean that the subdomain is live or has something that we can hack on there. So let's try. I like running Subfinder here exactly with this command. It's already here actually. It's a Subfinder domain list. Is -dl here is to pass my domain list. I'm passing my wildcards file. -all. This -all is to Subfinder to look into all sources. See here on the document. All sources for enumerations. It's a bit slow, but not something that will makes our test here be too slow. It will be it will run in a normal time, in a regular time. And in the final, I like to add the output of my file to be in my subfinder.txt file here. So let's run this. Now we're at 11,000 subdomains. That's huge. That's really huge. I think that probably most of these domains does not work. This video just saw is a part of a stream that we're doing every Thursdays. And now that you're here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join us on our next live stream.